Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Deepa Agarwal from ITCS Department. In this video, I am going to explain you Advanced Application Development topic, that is Node.js. This topic is for SYCS Semester 4 students. So let's begin with our topic. These are the contents: introduction, history, features of Node.js, and advantages and disadvantages of Node.js, REPL, and module and NPM. So first, what is Node.js? Node.js runs single-threaded, non-blocking, asynchronous programming which is very memory efficient. It is an open source environment which is free. It runs on various platforms like Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, etc. It uses JavaScript on the server. In 2009, Randall created Node.js, a framework used primarily to create scalable network applications. Node.js is built on top of Google's V8 JavaScript. Node made JavaScript is a viable alternative for server-side programming. Node provided a full system JavaScript API that was never really achieved before due to the sandbox environment that browsers provide. With the advent of Node, JavaScript developers could access the file system, open network sockets, and spawn child processes. One of Node's top feature is the ability to pack a lot of functionality into a small amount of code. Now we'll see features of Node.js. The first is single-threaded. It is operated on single-threaded event loop model architecture. By enabling the Node.js server to carry out all non-blocking operations seamlessly, the event loop mechanism contributes to the server's increased scalability. Asynchronous. Node.js applications programming interfaces are asynchronous by design. To put it another way, whenever a client makes a request to a server, the request is dealt with a single thread. If the request does not involve any interaction with the database, it will be processed and the response will be sent over. Next is event driven. The notification mechanism in Node.js is referred to as events. It is used to receive and keep track of previous API requests from the server. The event-driven mechanism function in a manner that is analogous to the callback mechanism found in asynchronous programming. NPM. The Node Package Manager, also known as NPM, is the most comprehensive online repository of the Node.js JavaScript runtime environment. Developers utilize it for developing, installing, and publishing Node programs. At the same time, NPM allows new organizations to manage private development effectively. Next feature is highly scalable. Node.js is highly scalable. It is mainly because it operates asynchronously and has a single thread architecture. When a request is received, the single thread will immediately begin processing it. After the response has been delivered to the client, the process will begin again. Performance. Chrome's V8 JavaScript runtime motor is where Node.js is built, contributing to more rapid code execution. With the assistance of C++, the JavaScript code used in V8 engines is compiled into machine code. Because of the V8 engine, the code implementation is now more streamlined and quicker. Now, what is the purpose of building Node.js? Following are the some purposes. First is Node.js can generate dynamic page content. Node.js can create, open, read, write, delete, and close files on the server. Node.js can collect form data, and it can add, delete, modify data in our databases. Advantages of Node.js. First is easy scalability for modern applications. then cost effective with full stack JS, community support to simplify development, easy to learn and quick to adapt, helps in building cross-functional teams, improve app response time and boost performance, reduces time to market of our applications, extensibility to meet customized requirements, reduces loading time by quick caching, helps in building cross-platform applications. But there are some disadvantages also, which are as follows. First, it reduces performance when handling heavy computing tasks. Node.js invites a lot of code changes due to unstable API. Node.js asynchronous programming model makes it difficult to maintain code. So we can choose it wisely. Lack of library support can endanger your code. High demand with a few experienced Node.js developers. Node.js is used most commonly for the following. First, chat applications. Node.js is commonly used to develop real-time applications, also known as RTAs. Its asynchronous, event-driven nature allows it to handle heavy input-output operations, which makes it much easier for Node.js developers to achieve the level of performance users have come to expect from modern real-time applications. Streaming applications. Streaming operations with Node.js so easy and efficient. Command line applications. Node.js improves developers who are not familiar with traditional backend languages to use JavaScript outside the web and develop various work automation solutions. Browser games. Node.js can also be used for game development in combination with technologies. Now we'll see what is REPL. REPL stands for read, evaluate, print, loop, and it represents a computer environment like a Windows console or Unix or Linux shell where a command is entered and the system responds with an output in an interactive mode. Node.js or Node comes bundled with a REPL environment. It performs the following tasks. Read. It reads user's input, passes the input into JavaScript data structure and stores in memory. Evaluate. It tasks and evaluates the data structure. Print prints the result. Loop the above command until the user presses Ctrl+C twice. The REPL feature of Node is very useful in experimenting with Node.js codes and to debug JavaScript codes. NPM. The NPM stands for Node Package Manager and it is the default package manager for Node.js. It is a Node module that is installed globally with the initial installation of Node. By default, it searches and loads packages from the NPM registry. In addition to being a package registry, it also acts as a user-friendly resource for developers to discover new modules. NPM is the heart of the Node module ecosystem. Now we'll see what is module. In Node.js, modules are the blocks of encapsulated code that communicates with an external application on the basis of their related functionality. Modules can be a single file or a collection of multiple files or folders. The reason programmers are heavily reliant on modules is because of their reusability as well as the ability to break down a complex piece of code into manageable chunks. There are three types of modules: core modules, local modules, and third-party modules. Core modules. It has many built-in modules that are part of platform and comes with a Node.js installation. These modules can be loaded into the program by using the require function. The syntax is var, that is variable module equal to require, and then within the bracket in single quotes we can write the module name. The require function will return a JavaScript type depending on what the particular module returns. The following example demonstrate how to use the Node.js HTTP module to create a web server. Now we'll see what is the local module. We can create our own modules and easily include them in our applications. The following example creates a module that returns a date and time object. So we have to write exports dot my date time equal to function, and it will return the date. Use the exports keyword to make properties and methods available outside the module file. We have to save our code in a file called myfirstmodule.js, and then we can include the use of module in any other our Node.js files. And the last type of module is the third party module. This module are available online using the Node Package Manager. These modules can be installed in the project folder or globally. Some of the popular third party modules are Mongoose, Express, Angular and React. So this is all about Node.js. Thank you.